Yo, it's breakfast time, rise and shine. Gotta have my eggs and bacon eyes sizzle in the pan, smell so divine. Carbs are there, but it's protein's high. Today, I'm gonna suggest some breakfast items that may make you feel full for the rest of the day. These breakfast items are full of protein and actually delicious. Let's start with the first one: spinach, peanut butter, and banana smoothie. Enjoy the tasty peanut butter, banana, and spinach smoothie. It's a sweet way to make sure you get some healthy greens every day. It's a special treat. Close your eyes and you won't believe it's a green smoothie. It's thick, creamy, and super tasty, with no bitter taste at all. It has milk, spinach, banana, and peanut butter, and you can easily make it at home. Egg muffins. Great for preparing meals ahead and not high in carbs. These are the perfect healthy and protein-packed egg breakfast, and your favorite veggies, proteins, and cheese to enjoy whenever you're hungry next time. Warm up these healthy egg muffins in the microwave for fast and filling breakfast or snack whenever you want. Spinach and egg tacos. Make a speedy and tasty breakfast by mixing hard-boiled eggs with spinach, cheese, and salsa. Creaminess comes from mashed avocado, and a dash of lime juice adds extra flavor. Wrap them in a low-calorie tortilla and it becomes a super breakfast. You can also bake the tortilla in the oven beforehand to make them crispy. Healthy tacos. Peanut butter and banana pancakes. You only need 4 ingredients, stuff you already have. These pancakes taste like peanut butter and banana, and even though they don't have flour, they really do taste like your favorite pancakes. You need a banana for sweetness, peanut butter for some extra protein, a little baking powder, and eggs. Freeze any leftover pancakes and warm them up in the toaster. Then spread on some delicious strawberry or raspberry jam. Yummy! Tropical chia pudding breakfast bowl. This easy, high-protein tropical chia pudding breakfast bowl is a creamy and delicious, made with chia seeds, Greek yogurt, mango, and kiwi. It's healthy, high-protein, and quick. Mix the pudding ingredients and cut the fruit. You're good to go! It also is an excellent meal prep item for breakfast. Feta spinach omelet. If you like a healthy breakfast with eggs, this high-protein omelet may be the one for you. Made with spinach, low-fat feta, sun-dried tomatoes, and basil. This breakfast is an easy way to have eggs and greens in the morning. Before continuing the rest of the video, leave a like on this video and subscribe for more healthy content like this one. Next one, air fryer French toast sticks. This air fryer French toast cuts the toast into strips that are crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and perfect for dipping into your favorite syrup. It has just 4 simple ingredients: eggs, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and cooking spray. So no sugar is added. Just pop them in the air fryer and they're ready to enjoy. Tofu and vegetable scramble. This quick vegan tofu scramble with veggies takes just 10 minutes to make and serves as a tasty and healthy breakfast option. You can use anything you like to make it, and it still will be delicious. The flavor of your tofu scramble will be best within 2 to 4 days, depending on the veggies you use. Strawberry and yogurt parfait. If you're looking for a healthy, sweet treat, try strawberry parfaits. They're a delight snack with layers of fresh strawberries and yogurt, topped with crunchy granola. These parfaits are a fresh and sweet way to curb your sweet cravings. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for being with us up until now and supporting us. For anything, have you tried any of these breakfast items? Which one did you like the best? Tell us in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did like it, then subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you again, and goodbye.